Winter can be a really challenging time to come up with activities for kids. Our normal staples like playing outside and parks and exploring the neighborhood are all put on hold when the weather's brutal, and we still have to come up with ways to keep the kids happy and engaged and entertained, but now we have to do it inside. That actually makes winter one of the best times for sensory play. It's generally pretty self-contained. It can be done anywhere you have space for a dish tub, and it's open-ended, so kids can play at it for as long as they want. They can leave and come back. It's perfect for developing that independent play. I'm going to go over 4 different winter-themed sensory bins, but I release a new sensory bin every week. Definitely check out the playlist for other ideas here. We're going to do an activity that isn't necessarily in the sensory bin, but is sensory inspired. We're going to take a salt or a sand tray. You can either make one by putting salt in a tray with sides, or there's some beautiful pre-made versions out there as well. I'll put a couple links in the description. Now we pick a card. You can get these penguin cards in my store, or you can make your own on index cards. For kids who are just starting their pre-writing journey, use only the letter cards. Pick a card, have them use their finger or an unsharpened pencil to write the letter in the salt or sand. I find that the salt tray is lower pressure than paper and pencil because any mistakes can just be wiped away like they never existed. This really helps those perfectionist kids out. Again, you just have to wipe away a mistake. As kids move on to CVC words and high frequency words, use the cards that come with the penguins to practice those. Pick a card, put the matching letters in the salt tray, or have kids find the matching letters to put in the tray, then write the words in the salt. Again, low pressure writing and spelling practice. If you're looking to give kids a little bit of play-based academics in their sensory play, this bin is perfect for that. We're going to feed our penguins some fish. We'll take our cotton ball filler and drop some fish numbered 1 to 10. The fish each have a magnet on them so our penguin can catch them. Now we take our penguin friend, stick him on a magnetic wand. The fish and penguin are available for free in my Teachers Pay Teacher store. I'll put a link in the description. Once our penguin's on the wand, she's going fishing. We'll dive down, catch a fish, and then put it on a recording sheet. Once we've matched the fish to its number on the recording sheet, kids can trace the number. Rinse and repeat until all the fish have been caught. So whenever we're talking about sensory play, I like to include at least one idea for imaginative play. Imaginative play is the beginning of storytelling and really an introduction to the world of pretend. And just like those open-ended dramatic play toys like dress up, play kitchens, baby dolls, workbenches, all that kind of stuff are crucial to kids finding their role in the world, small imaginative play is important for relationship building and role play as well. In this bin, I've included an Arctic scene with snowy cotton ball filler and some plastic bead ocean. We have a bunch of penguin friends to play with in our chilly world. This sensory bin is one even the littlest kids can do with some supervision. Just put cotton ball snow in whatever sensory bin you're using. Tiny ones can explore the soft texture. When they've moved up to working on that grasp, you can add in a cup and have them move cotton balls from the bin to the cup. As they're perfecting motor skills, you can introduce a scooper or a pair of tongs for kids to use and move the snow over. So easy and so many benefits. There you go. 4 different sensory bins to do inside this winter, all pretty mess-free and easily contained. If you're looking for more sensory bins to do with your kids, check out a few of the other bins I've done and definitely subscribe because I have new ideas coming out all the time.